Today, we have something special in store for all the Naver Whale browser users out there. Are you ready to enhance your browsing experience? Then stay tuned as we show you how to install the amazing Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension. Let's get started. Before we dive into the installation process, let me quickly introduce you to Turn Off the Lights. It's a fantastic extension that enhances your browsing experience by darkening the web page you're on, allowing videos to shine brighter than ever before. It creates a theater-like ambiance and reduces eye strain, making your browsing experience truly immersive. In your Naver Whale browser, go to the Whale store and search for Turn Off the Lights. If you cannot find it, we have included the link below in the description text. On the store page, click on the button Add to Whale to install the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. You might be prompted to confirm the installation by clicking Add. Don't worry, it's completely safe and trusted by millions of users worldwide. Once the installation is complete, you need to pin the icon to your Naver Whale toolbar. Just click on the puzzle piece icon. Search for Turn Off the Lights and click on the pin icon. Now the gray lamp button will be visible in your toolbar, and with a single click on the lamp button, the screen will dim. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the Turn Off the Lights Naver Whale extension. Now, enjoy a theater-like browsing experience, with videos popping off the screen. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to a more immersive web experience. That's it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.